In our next topic, which is factoring, we need to review first about some kind of special products, which is the product of sum and difference of two numbers. Look at our examples. We have two the same numbers like x and x, and then the second numbers are also the same. The first factor is a sum, and the second factor is a difference. Now, we can multiply this in a fast manner. That's why we call it special products. Observe the pattern. So if you have x plus 1 times x minus 1, this is equal to the square of the first number minus the square of the second number. So 1 squared is 1. Number 2, x minus 3 times x plus 3. So this is equal to the square of the first one, that's x squared, minus, always minus, 3 squared is 9. Number 3, x plus 8 times x minus 8. The square of x is x squared, and the square of 8 is 64. So x squared minus 64. Number 4, 5a minus 6 times 5a plus 6. Again, we square 5a, that is 25a squared. Then minus, always minus, 6 squared is 36. So how about number 5 and number 6? What do we notice about the answers? Okay, if you have a sum and a difference, the product is equal to a difference of two squares. Now we're going to use this concept in factoring difference of two squares. Therefore, in factoring these differences of squares, okay, we're going to do the reverse of what we multiplied. Okay, so therefore this x squared minus y squared is equal to, so get the square root of x squared, that is x, and then the square root of y squared is y. So this is x minus y times x plus y. This is the same as x plus y times x minus y. In number 2, get the square root of x squared, that is x. Square root of 25, 5. So we may write this as x plus 5 times x minus 5. Next, what is the square root of a squared? Of course, that is a. The square root of 16 is 4. So we have a minus 4 times a plus 4. For number 4, the square root of 4b squared is 2b. Okay, so the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of b squared is b. So how do we get the square root of a variable with a given exponent? Divide the exponent by 2. So if the exponent is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. So this is now b to the first power, or simply b. And then, okay, I may want to write plus first. Doesn't matter. So the square root of 36 now is 6. And then the other one is 2b minus 6. For number 5, the square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x to the 4th is x. Again, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 3x squared. The square root of 81 is 9. So plus 9, and the other one is automatically 3x squared minus 9. For number 6, okay, square root of 49 is 7. Then x, that's to the 4th, so x squared. Minus square root of 16 is 4. Then y. Then we just copy this. 7x squared, change it to plus 4y. That's it. Then number 7, square root of 100 is 10. Plus 121 square root is 11. The square root of r squared is r, times 10 minus 11r. Number 8, 49x squared. That will be 7x minus square root of 64 is 8. And then y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 8y cubed. Then just copy this. This time you have plus 8y cubed. Okay, again, please answer number 9 and number 10.